why would I do that?
What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Beauty School. This is Stylist John. Today I'm going to go through my my normal regimen of doing my skincare. It's okay to be a man and take good care of your skin. Why is it good to be a man and take good care of your skin? Is because if your skin look good and you feel good, you put out the best result of yourself every day. You walk outside looking good, feeling good, smelling good, skin looking good. Can't nobody say nothing bad about you. So fellas, if you are an athlete, construction worker, or you work a real tedious job where you sweat and you have products in your hair that leak into your face, I recommend doing a weekly skincare regimen like what I'm about to do, or you can come in and I'll give you that particular service along with your haircut. Okay, we're gonna call it a face and beard treatment. Okay, and it's $50. All right, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull all the dirt and exfoliate your skin and pull all the dirt out around your forehead, temple line, face line, and mustache and beard line. It's gonna pull all that out. Okay. But before I do that, I'm going to color my beard too, because I got some grays that start to pop out. So I'm going to color my beard first. I'm going to do a facial on myself, and then I'm going to line myself up real good and cut my hair. All right. So the whole service that I'm going to do for myself is I'm going to give myself a beard color, which is $50. I'm going to give myself a beard and face treatment. Okay. Which is $50, and I'm gonna give myself a haircut and a razor line. Okay, that service will cost $200. All right, you will book an elite service. The elite service is a shampoo, hot towel, steam facial, haircut, mustache and beard line up, razor line, and it comes with 5 to 10 minute massage. Okay, on the shoulders and the neck, to make sure that you are relaxed when you leave the shop. All right, it's called the Elite Service. It's $100. The add-on would be the beard color and the exfoliation of the beard treatment. Okay, when I do the beard treatment, I also pull out ingrown hairs that I may have noticed that might be in the person's skin that might cause a bump or a welt or two, where that hair needs to be pulled completely out, so that way the skin is flush. Because sometimes bumps that brother has on their face really is an ingrown hair that you gotta pull out, because the hair grows coily, and when it grows out, it grows back into the skin, and you want to make sure you pull that out. So, with further ado, I'm gonna start off with my beard color, and I'm gonna cut the top part of my head. Once I get done cutting the top part of my head, I'm gonna do my facial. When I wipe off my facial, I'm gonna wipe off my beard color, and I'm gonna line my beard. Okay, so here we go. So, to cover my good clothes, I'm gonna use this salon apron. Cover myself real good. Okay, and I'm just going in. I am using Adore Jet Black. I also like using Temptation, but I also like Adore. I like the color ratio that Adore has. Adore have a lot of good colors that color pop. Okay, so shout out to Adore for creating this. All right. And what I'm doing is I'm just going right into my beard where it needs to color. I'm going to start off on the edge. Alright, so now I'm gonna let it sit. This is how I want my mustache to look. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair.